Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will tell you how the silver price has moved in the last month and how the silver price can move in the next month. See, if you look at the chart, I am showing you a chart from 2021. You will see that there is a particular range. Okay, this is the range which we have seen. Then after this particular, if you look at it has formed a flag pattern. A flag pattern is formed, so there was a probability that if it goes below this level, then we can see a fall at this particular range. Or if you look at the range of silver, then we can see a pattern was forming in this particular zone. Okay, a narrow pattern is forming, so probability was there that it could have gone lower price. Okay, so now if you look at the chart, looking at this particular zone, we have seen that a U pattern is forming. Okay, so if there is a probability, if it goes above 24, then there will be a buying opportunity. So that is my view. Okay, so before that, if you have any doubt regarding silver position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in silver is working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. Okay, so now look at the chart. See, now looking at the chart, what you can see that from 2021 we have seen that it was in this particular zone. Once this zone break downside, we have seen it has made a low of around 21.47, and from there it has moved upside. See, look at the pattern. If you look at this pattern, we have seen it a longer view also. If you look at, we have seen that this is the particular U pattern is forming. Now suppose if the price, if it goes above a level of 23.60 also, we can see further upside in the price of silver. Okay, now look at the, see, if we look at, if we make a trend line also, we can see there is a probability that it can go further low now. Okay, so see, suppose if the price sustain this level, or now trading at around 23.26, so what we can see, it can go and touch a level of 23.46, and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 23.75. okay, and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 23.94, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 24.189. okay, and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 24.771, and this is the pattern. You can check this particular zone. So if the price goes above a level of 24.480, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 24.771. okay, 24.771. okay, see, look at the chart. See, so once, and these levels are already tested twice, so chances will be very high. Okay, chances will be very high that there is a probability if it goes above a level of 23.995, we can see it can, chances are it can go and touch a level of 24.771, and this level is already tested twice, so chances are high we can see a level of 25.403. okay, and from there we can see a level of 25.840. okay, and from there it can go and touch a level of 25.985. okay, once the price goes above this level, because this is the particular zone, once this zone break upside, we can see it can go and touch a level of 25.791, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 25.985. okay, and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 26.422, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 26.713. okay, so it is the particular zone that is making. Now once this zone break upside or downside, we can see a moment in the price of silver. okay, so now suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, then chances are high we can see a level of 22.975, and if the price didn't sustain that level, then we can see a level of 22.781. okay, and once if it didn't sustain this level, then we can see a level of 22.295. okay, and if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 22. okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain that level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 21.518. okay, see, this is the strong 21.8 is already tested, so chances will be very high we can see a level of 21.421. okay, and once if it goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 20.062. so keep this in mind. If the price goes below a level of 22. 4 chances will be very high it can go and touch a level of 21.421. Okay, or if it goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 20.013. Okay, but suppose if it goes more below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 19.382, and from there we can see a level of 18.897. But as of now, suppose if the price sustain this level, then we can see, because a pattern is trying to form. If we look at the pattern, we can see it is a U pattern is forming. Okay, so if the price, a cup pattern is forming, and I've already told you that the price is forming a cup pattern, so probability is there, we can see it can go further upside. So this is the pattern we have seen it has made and was moving around at this level. Okay, and now what we can see, a M pattern has formed with this particular zone, that is why it has come down. So if the price again comes around 23 or below this level of around 23.117, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 22.928, and if the price goes more below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 22.777. Okay, and if it goes more below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 22.569, and if it goes more below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 22.380, and if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 22.040. Okay, and once this level is, if it goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level 21.455. okay, so keep this in mind. And one more thing that you have to keep in mind, okay, see, this is the particular zone you have to understand. So once this zone break down, and these levels are already tested twice, you can check my previous video also if any doubt. Okay, so now I'm explaining you, suppose if you have $10,000 you are trading with, if you had, so trade with around 10 to 20% per capital per trade, and your stop loss should be around 0.5 to 1. This is what I mostly do. Okay, and you should risk as per your appetite. Okay, but as of now, please this is 0.5 to 1% will be your, should be your stop loss. Okay, once this stop loss hits, please exit the trade for the day and then trade the next day. Okay, suppose if you made a profit of around $1,000, or if suppose $100, once this $100 comes down to 70, please exit the trade for the day. Okay, this is I'm talking as per your risk appetite, and plus suppose if $100 makes a difference, then please do that, because the thing is that if you are making a profit, you should exit in profit. Okay, so suppose if you made $1,000 profit per on a day, and if it comes down to 700, please exit the trade for the day. Okay, so any doubt you can mail me. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.